This is
My name's Rustin. Pleasure to meet y'all.
And you've been competing. This is the third round, right?
This is the third round of this year. I started competing last year and placed second overall. But I'm right now currently tied for first in points this year. So this is the final round for this year. We're here at Hallett Motor Speedway. And so I've got a spot in contingency for being the champion this year. So super excited, super hopeful that I can end up pushing through and doing that.
So G35, is that what you got back here?
Yes, sir. It's an LS1 T56 setup, heads cam intake build, long tube headers, E85. Just most recently put a new gear chain or gear set in the diff, so it's got 4.1 gears, and it's a rowdy car. It's fun. It's a lot of fun to drive.
What else you have done to this?
As far as that goes, that's the most of what power upgrades has to it. It's got a custom paint job in it with gold flake.
Yeah, that is beautiful.
It's got Serbs on it. My drift spares are GMRs. Another three-piece set of wheels. A custom side skirts that we made that were actually from an IS 300 that we cut and extended. Carbon craft crowning, or carbon, I can't remember what they call themselves now. They actually call themselves something different, but crown carbon craftings, wide body kit, a knockoff 326 wing, GT3 bumper, a little beat up. Most of like my cosmetic stuff is about that. Yeah,
I mean, it's a drift car, so you can't expect it to stay a show car forever, right?
We're looking at the good side. The other side's got a pretty gnarly gash in it from last round. But that's a part of it, you know.
And you said you did the paint yourself?
Me and my dad did the paint. My
dad?
dad did a lot of the paint for me. I helped him sand, prep, kind of all that stuff. But he's done paint and body since he was 18. He's in his 50s, so plenty of experience. And with the kind of money that we were spending on paint and the job I wanted done, even though it's a drift car, still wanted to look nice. So I didn't want to mess anything up. So I let him do most of the painting as far as that goes.
Well, I guess good luck for this event, and hopefully you take that win.
I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Man, look out there.
8 for Jonathan Pry. Jonathan Pry with a 68.
Flying down the hill, using all kinds of brakes. Rustin Westphal hanging in there right with him. He had to score his last one. Look at who is this guy now? He's been to all 3 rounds. He's been struggling with all kinds of things and just pushing through this season. It looks like it's all paying off. Sitting in second place, I mean, on first. Nice move.